Hi everyone. First, it's the App Store. I've simulated again the task app and I've got some new feedback, so I'm making progress. The issue now was that the pricing text wasn't bold or bigger than the rest, so I needed to update the UI and also mention that there's a free trial on the subscription. I also made some progress on the widget part of the app. On iOS, you can see your task inside the home screen widget, and you have the same on Android. Here's what it looks like. It's pretty simple. As you can see, I have both simulators. On the left, it's Android, and on the right, it's an iPhone. So as you can see, you have your task of the day, so you can see them. And I'll add the interactivity part where you can click on the title of the task and it opens the task into the app. And when you check the task, it completes it also into the app. It was fairly complicated because first, I never did native iOS or Android programming. So that was the first. I needed to learn a bit about that. And also the setup is a bit complicated using Flutter, and you have to link the Flutter code to the native part of the app. So that was a bit technical. So how does it work? Basically, you have three components. First is the Flutter engine. Second is both the iOS part and the Android part. Those native code base contains the code of the widget and the displaying of the data. And the widget can ask or get the data that is shared by the Flutter engine. Update is handled automatically by the OS. You just send the data, tell the OS to update the widget, and the widget is auto-updating. On Android, it also regularly checks the widget and update the data at a fixed period. I still have quite a bit of work to do on the widget part. I need to do the interactivity first, then I'm gonna have to fix the remaining issues with the widgets, publish the app, and also I've got some feedback from test flight, and apparently the Note app crashes on iPad, but I cannot reproduce the issue. So I'm gonna try with different simulators and let you know. Today was pretty good. I made some progress onto the widget function, so that's a good part. This weekend I'll finish the widget feature, I think. And next week, I'll try to add the import and other missing features to make the app more attractive and more complete. Basically, what I need to do now is to publish both apps and their subscription to the App Store. And when it's done, I can start advertising and making some Reddit posts and trying to attract some users to subscribe to the first two elements of the suite, which will be Task and Notes, which is good in complement of another service like Proton. Today was a great day to conclude the week. I'm going to work a bit this weekend to finish up the widget part and maybe some other stuff. I'm pretty happy with the progress I made the past few weeks. I'm finding my rhythm with the vlogs and finding a bit more what I like and what I don't like. It's maybe a bit less dynamic than what you can find currently on the market, but I don't have a lot of time to shoot and work and do some B-roll and do editing, etc., etc. So I do however I can. I think I'm gonna let you here for today. I'm gonna wrap up my code and some stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks again for taking the time to stay until the end if you did it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.